The next one, I wanted to select multiple columns. I wanted to select what, Sarji? Multiple columns. Still we can select, prepare a list actually, and you can select that one. And specific value also. Specific what exactly mean? Value. Quickly, let me execute these 3 examples. Then I can continue with the today topic, I guess, actually. Okay. That's what we done last. Am I right? Till here we done. I need your help. Why? Because, you know, yeah, I'm working employee. I may not remember all things. What is the running topic actually? But if you tell where exactly I have stopped, I can continue. Okay, go back and data analysis. Capture the file. What is the file, Sarji? Sales 1.csv. Let me run. These are all examples in one shot. Jupyter, very soon I'm going to tell. Jupyter, don't worry. Oh, sorry. Import pandas as PD. Import pandas as what, Sarji? PD. DF equals to PD dot read underscore CSV. Sales 1.csv. Yeah, good. Let us print DF. Let us print what, Sarji? DF actual. Yeah, we got it. This is so called as a selecting single column, Daniel. What? Single column?
No.
Can I select even multiple columns? Multiple column selection. Multiple columns.
Sir, you have just
columns selections. Can I do that? Yeah, Daniel, you can do. First of all, let me tell you. I wanted to select a single column. How to select, Sarji? Specify name of the column. Specify what, sir? Name of the column. Go for and here I'm using why index, why not dot? Space issue. What issue? Space issue. I hope you already know that. Then if you're looking for multiple columns, what we need to do, you know, sir? Prepare the list. Prepare what? List. Follow the process. It will be very easy. Yeah, Daniel, I need a multiple columns. How many columns? 2 columns. Then prepare 2 list of strings. As of now, I prepared empty string. I need customer name and I need product or else quantity. Up to you. Which one you want? Up to you. The second one should be product. I need like this. You are selecting multiple columns. Then what we need to do, you know, provide that A here actually. Provide that A here. Okay. Now this is so called as a selecting multiple columns. We done this. Yeah. In last week we done actually. Let's take this one. We covered these are all. Now the next quite interesting example will be selecting specific values data frame. Selecting what exactly mean? Right. So I wanted to select specific value. What exactly, sir? Specific values data frame. Possible? Absolutely possible. Follow the process. To get that one, what we need to do, you know, first of all, get the data frame. This is the data frame, Daniel. My requirement is I wanted to filter only video records. Go back. I wanted to filter the top 5 rows actually. Tell me. Head method. Yeah, you already know this one. These are all requirements, Sarji. Take this. You know, so get top 5 rows. Or else first 5 rows. The next one, I'm sure you already know. Last 5 rows. Chapandi? Yeah, these are all requirement. So seems to be it is very easy for you. Why? Because you already know these are all scenario. Right? Yeah, Daniel, you can just to call tail method. What method, Anna? Tail method actually. You will get. Okay. Now, Daniel, I would like to select the specific values data frame. I would like to select what always learning supposed to start smoothly. Suddenly I should not explain complex example. When you are preparing also, first to prepare what you know. Then you can feel comfortable actually. Slowly, this is something like injection. What is that? Go to the doctor. This doctor will do like this one suddenly actually. No. Slowly they will apply. Okay. Yeah, same thing. Selecting multiple columns. Selecting what exactly mean? Multiple columns. Now we are entering into the topic slowly by slowly. Good. First of all, let me just try to print the data frame as we already know. See the data frame and you can feel like, I know this topic. Okay, back to the session. I wanted to filter all Viru records. I wanted to get only Viru records actually. Then this value and which column it is available, customer name. Capture that column first. Yeah, we are capturing, Daniel. We are capturing. Then we'll get a series. You already know. That's what I covered previous example, how to select a single column. Good. Now I wanted to select only Viru records. Then what we need to do, sir, here you need to create a Boolean condition. So this is so called as a Viru. Where all it is matching in customer name column, Viru, this value, where all it is matching in customer name column actually, we'll get result as a true. We'll get result as a true actually. Yes, see. We'll get result as a true. We are going to get result as a true. But who need Boolean values, man? I need a result. I need what, Sajid? Then do one thing.
You need to assign
Cut this one and create one small variable. Variable name is a con, means condition. Yeah. Wow. Done, Sajid. We got a Viru data frame. We got what, Sajid?
Viru data frame.
Are you clear?
Clear I covered
in last week. Overall missed in last session. These are all, so seems to be just now I spent 5 minutes. But last week on Saturday, I spent more than 1 hour to explain these are all scenarios actually. Okay, we are good to go. So till here we done. Which one? Okay, very good. Daniel, product wise also, can I capture? Yeah, you can do, Sarji. Product wise, can I capture? You can do. Okay, hold on. Then get the data frame. First of all, get the data frame. Now I wanted to capture iPhone 11 records actually. And which column it is available? Product. Capture that product first actually. Oh, we'll get as a series. We'll get what exactly, man? Hey, why Hadavadi? I can directly write here, right? Product actually. Then can you help me? iPhone 11. iPhone what exactly, sir? 11 actually. iPhone 11. Yes, we got it. Perfect. These are all records. We got it actually. Now let's take this one. This is so called as a customer wise transaction. This is so called as a product wise transaction. What transaction?
Product wise
transaction. These are all you need to spend some time. Product wise transactions actually. Yeah, some these are all, it's okay. Yeah, move on. Good. Quantity, some these are all wooden. Selecting single column wooden. Selecting multiple columns wooden. Selecting specific values wooden actually. Right. So now these are all things wooden. So seems to be a customer name. Specific customer name, Viru records we are capturing. Then next one, product, a specific product we are capturing. Now we are entering into the topic. Topic name is LOC and ILOC. What is the topic name? Now we are entering this, sir. Maybe last week I kept heading actually. Today we are starting the cinema. Let us start. So we already done. We done. What are we done actually? So select a single column.
Select multiple column.
Select what, Sarji? Kind of some selecting single column. Yeah, Daniel.
Multiple column.
Single column. Even selecting multiple columns. Even selecting specific value. What value, sir? Specific value. Specific what exactly? Value. Specific value. Sir, we can still, we can even do same. We can even select same actually, same as above. Same as what exactly, sir? Same as above. By using LOC and ILOC. That's what I'm going to cover. I already explained how to select a single column. You should know. And not only this, sir. First 5 rows. Chapter, sir, first 5 rows. The next one, last 5 rows. Last what exactly? 5 rows actually. The next one will be selecting specific value. Repeating again, we done what we done. These are all things we done. Selecting what? Selecting single column, multiple columns, first 5 rows, last 5 rows, specific value. But repeating again, we can even select, we can even do the same, even do the same as above actually, by using LOC and ILOC. I mean to say, a single column we can select actually. Okay, yeah, now you got it, I guess, actually. By using LOC, ILOC, even we can select what exactly mean? Single column, multiple columns, first 5 rows, last 5 rows, specific value. Are you with me? But up to you, Daniel. I like this syntax. Even I like this syntax actually. You can go for this, right? What is the difference? Imagine this is kind of something like it is taking 1 minute for every operation. 1 minute for every operation. Think like 60 seconds it is taking. How long time actually? 60 second times it is taking. Either you are calling head method 60 seconds, tail method 60 seconds, selecting specific value 60 seconds actually. Trust me, this will take just a matter of 1 second actually. If you are using LOC, ILOC. If you are using what exactly man? LOC, ILOC actually. Conclusion of the story. In terms of the performance wise, lock and iLock is a super fast. That's the only added advantage. Are you with me or not, sir? So get ready. The same output we are going to see, but what we are going to apply? LOC and what such? ILOC, right? Good. So simple. It takes just a matter of 1 second. What is the advantage? Advantage is 1 second. It consumes more time actually. It consumes what, Saji? More time. Let me show you. This consumes more time. This consumes less time. Then let me start. The topic name is what exactly? LOC and what exactly, sir? ILOC. What I can say? You can expect minimum 4 interview questions. How many? 4 interview questions means not a joke, Sachi. This is important. 4 interview questions. I will cover with practically. Good. The first one, would you have a theory? Would you have what exactly, sir? Theory. The next one, practical examples actually. Examples would you have. But let me tell you. First, let me cover examples. First, let me cover what, Saji? Let me cover examples. Theory we can define later. No, so in second priority. I mean to say, I would like to give this one is a P2. This one give P1. P1, P2 means what exactly? This is the real-time terminology. Priority 1. Priority based actually. First, let me explain about the examples. Let me explain. Till now, how I explain, first I explained theory, I went into the example. But let me just try to do in a reverse way. Why? Because if I cover theory, trust me, you cannot understand. You door open you cannot understand. But if I cover example, then theory you yourself can, define actually. Are you ready, sir? Come on, let's do this actually. I'm sorry, wherever theory is available, I'm skipping. But let me cover small little definitions actually. Examples. Let me start. Okay. Please understand. Kind info. Daniel, print is called as what? Function. Print is called as a function. Upper is called as a input is called as a function. Upper is called as very nice method in string class actually. Okay, you should know. Append is called as a min. Oh, very nice. Head is called as a
Method.
in either series or what, sir? Yeah, good. We are good to go. Same thing like that. LOC is called as LOC having a separate name. Let me cover that name first actually. I can directly write like this, but if I have written like this, you can feel comfortable. Okay, Daniel is trying to explaining about what is LOC and ILOC actually. Are you with me or not, sir? Good. Even ILOC is called as what exactly mean? Called as what we need to call, sir? It is called as a indexer. Can you tell me what is that actually? Indexer. One more time. Indexer actually. Don't worry. I will explain the definition. You will get a clear picture. LOC is called as a indexer. Chappan sir? Indexer actually. Indexer. Good. Let me give one small example. I hope by this time you already know 10, 20, 30, 40. Okay. Now here A is called as a list. A is called as what exactly mean? List. A of 0. We are accessing value by using index. By using what, Sarji? Index actually. Then this is also called as a indexer. Chapman sir, that is also called as a same syntax we are going to apply on where LOC and ILOC actually. Try to understand this point very clearly. Like how it is called as a indexer, get ready LOC location and iLoc index location actually we are going to apply the same syntax. Are you ready? Good. So I hope I covered what do you mean by indexer actually. Object is required. Am I right? The record object is required. How to recognize means through practice only. If you do the practice, I'm sorry. Let me tell you, I'm sorry. How we remember our brother name and our sister name? Am I right? We need to remember which method belongs to which class. You understand, I guess, actually, right? How we are able to remember our friends? Okay, he is my friend, he is my friend. Same thing like that. This method belongs to so-and-so class, who should remember. That's what, to memorize purpose only, I'm listing out these are all so-and-so method belongs to so-and-so class actually. This practice we need to do. You understand, I guess. Sudha Manohar Sarji, you understand, I guess. Okay. Through practice only. Easy, sir. Very easy. Let's move on. This theory I can talk later. We can select a columns from data frame by using LOC and ILOC. You can also call it as a lock and iLock. During interview, definitely they will ask a question. Explain about lock actually. Lock and iLock are called as indexers in data frame. By using this, repeating again, we can select the data. Simple. The data, it can be rows and it can be columns. By using this, we can select the data. The data can be, it can rows and what's are columns actually, right? Rows and columns we can select. Slice of the data frame we can select. Data selection you already know. How to select a single column, how to select a multiple column, top 5 rows, last 5 rows, specific value. That is called as a data selection. By using this, we can select the data. When I say the data, it can be rows and columns, it can be slice of the data frame. Okay, so theory, skip it actually. We'll talk later. Yeah, the very first, get ready, sir. New data set I'm going to introduce. What is that? New data set actually. Maybe till now I have shared 3 data sets, 3 or 4. Sales 1 I have shared. The next one, sales 3 I have shared. Sales 3 I have shared. Next one, fruits. Sales 31 I have shared. Fruits also I have shared. There is a none data set also I have shared, I guess actually. Okay, yeah, move on. Then now I need to load the data set. How many rows actually, sir? 900 rows. How many columns? Oh, very good. What is the first one? Order ID, customer name, customer ID, product name, product cost. Good. Framing output like this, it gives clear picture for you. Okay, let me just try to load the file first. So then I need to delete this. Sales, enter name 2. Okay. Sales 2, Daniel. Sales 2. Let me capture this. You should remember the data set and you should remember, column names and a few data values. You should remember column names and few data values. Sales 1, right? Still. Let us just try to redefine actually. Can you help me? Import pandas as PD. The next one, df equals to pd.read underscore csv.
Sales2.
What is the file name?
Sales2.csv.
2. Yeah, thank you. CSV. Let me just try to print df. Data frame is ready. Very good, man. Data frame is ready. Can you tell me column name? Last column name. Oh, very good. So and so customer. Customer name is a Parda. Customer ID 8. Customer ID what, Sarji? 8 actually. The next one, Apple. He bought so and so Apple iPad, and how much cost actually? 59,000. Next one, Vinay, Lavanya, Mohan. These are all respective persons actually. Customer ID. These are all. If you want, you can open the data set. Where are all this person name is available? His ID should be displaying what exactly? No doubt at all. Do you wanted to see the data set? I have designed the data set in such a way that 900 rows I have created. Okay. So if you want, you can feel like live data set actually. Sorry, man. Oh, Arda. What is the order ID? I'm sorry, customer ID 8. Here also look at my screen. Where is the Parda? Oh, Pradana. 17. Here also 17. Where is this Parda, Sarji? Where? 48. Yeah, 8 actually. It is matching. Make a note actually. I mapped in such a way that Nirishna also is available. Nirishna also available. What is the Nirishna ID? 1. Wherever Nirishna is available, no doubt in that. Nirishna 1. Madhurima madam 13. Good. I mean, I have designed in such a way that actually. Are you ready, sir? Good. Fine. Move on. So, there is a data set, Daniel, actually. Data set or file. We created a data frame. Daniel, data frame is ready? Right. So, the code flow I'm going to explain. From the file, I have created a data frame. I have created what, Sarji? Data frame. Now, I wanted to select the data. I mean to say data selection. Chappan sir, data selection. Especially using what we are using, first topic what we are using, Sarji. We are planning to using ILOC. We are planning to using what exactly? ILOC. When I'm planning to use ILOC, first scenario I can select single column. Very good. First scenario I can select what, Sarji? Single column. Next scenario I can select multiple columns. Multiple what exactly mean? Columns and rows actually. We'll see step by step. You will get an idea. Please understand the flow. Daniel, yes, file. What is the file name, sir? File name Jeopardy? Sales. I can write directly, right? No assumption. No assumptions actually. Then from this file, I created a data frame. Okay. What you are planning to work? Sir, I am planning to work data selection. Okay. Data selection, I am planning to apply ILOC only. I am planning to apply. By using ILOC, I would like to select single column. I would like to select even multiple columns and rows. Are you ready, sir? Yeah, good. Then let me select single column. Let me select what exactly means single column. Okay. Selecting single column means think logically. Please understand the example. First scenario. Okay. Just now I have seen online team text. Get the data frame, sir. Let me rerun the data frame again. Nice. Now here you guys do one thing. Dot ILOC. Dot what, Sarji? ILOC. Index syntax required. Why? Because it is indexer actually. We'll do one thing, sir. I already covered how to select a single column. These are all. Even ILOC also we can do. If I give this 0, what happen? We'll see. If I give that, what exactly mean 0? I mean, what exactly I'm doing, I'm trying to providing index number. I'm trying to provide. Here, I means index. I means provide the index actually. Provide what exactly mean? Index. 0th index I provided. What I provided? If I provide 0th index, can you tell me 192.837 is order ID? Okay. Per the customer name, 8 customer ID, you should know. Am I right? Now let us run the code actually. You will get an idea. Wow, beautiful, sir. If you are providing 0 as an index actually, what we are getting, first of all, column name we are getting as a 0. Column name it is SN actually. Yeah, Daniel. Now I am able to see this value. What value actually? According to the order ID. Yeah, order ID, Daniel. What is the order ID value ending with 37? Okay. Can you tell me the next one? customer name. What is the customer name? Pardaji. The next one, customer ID 8, so and so product Apple, so and so cost. How much cost actually? 59,000. Seriously, super. So seems to be by using ILOC, you can select a specific column also. I mean to say, you are selecting single column. You are selecting what, Sachi? If you are providing as an index, it is giving the result as a column, single column. Here I am providing index. Here I am providing what? If you are providing index, it is giving the result as a single column. How can I say single column? Anna, this is series. We already covered actually. Am I right or not, sir? Okay? Yeah, good. Please understand. Let's take this one. Selecting single column. Selecting what exactly mean? Selecting single column. Selecting single column. The next one. Then I'm sure you already know. Can I provide this one? Yeah, you can provide. If I provide one, can you tell me whose record it is? Yeah, that's what you are going to get. Let me provide one. Okay. Can I print the data frame also? For your reference. Same, one more example. You can feel comfortable as you already know actually. Okay? Yeah, one I'm providing. Good. Everybody look at my screen. When I record, we supposed to see. When I record, we supposed to see actually. We are getting. Column name, what we are getting, sir? Nice.